guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. Yeah, my name is Jacqueline and thanks for being here. So today I'm making quick lunch. I already made it. I just want you to take step by step on how to get this outcome of this meal because it's delicious. So if you can guess what I had to do it in the oven. Nothing, I didn't fry it, no oil, no nothing, because it's a chicken recipe, of course. So what I did today, I had chicken wings. I had frozen chicken wings. I had bought them and then I removed the skin and everything, and then I put them in the freezer. So what I did before I put them in the freezer, after I removed the skin, I marinated it with salt, pepper, honey, and little garlic. You get that? Salt, pepper, garlic, and honey. So it's like sweet and sour because of a little pepper and little lemon. If you want your chicken not to have any smell or anything, just drip of lemon in it. So that's what I did. So, and then I made it with chicken potatoes. Oh, chicken potatoes, and I made it with sweet potatoes. Sorry, did I say chicken potatoes? I have no clue what I'm talking about. So this is the outcome of that chicken. See how it is? Let's try this chicken. Let's try. I can't talk. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. It's melting in my mouth. This is delicious. Wow. And I baked it for 45 minutes and 360 in the big, not in the oven, in the, what is it called? The fryer. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. I think next time I have to show you when I'm doing. You see how it's shiny? Wow. Okay, I have to have another bite, please. That one, you should try it. Just get the little chicken. They are like chicken wings and drums. Do they have chicken wings and drums? Something like that? Because they look like drums, but they are chicken wings. Yeah. Because I don't like the real wings because they don't have no meat in them. This one has meat in it. Wow. That one. Okay, now the chicken was 11 out of 10. Now let me come to the sweet potato. You see how the sweet potato looks like? It looks like meat too. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let me taste it. Oh, the sweet potato, what did I do? I just washed it and I peeled it and then I baked it in the same toast. What's that thing called? Fryer. In the fryer for 400 degrees for 25 minutes. And this one is the Caribbean sweet potato. It's very sweet. I don't like the other ones. I don't like the pink one, the orange one. This one was white. So after you baked it, it's like golden brown. Let me taste it. I'll tell you how it is. Oh, I'm a mess, but I'll try it. Hold on, guys. Wow. Oh my goodness. I've never tasted a potato that yummy since I was in kindergarten. Wow. It's melting in my mouth. Guys, you should try this recipe. You see how it looks? This food, I tell you, is delicious. It is delicious. If you excuse me, I have to eat my food in peace. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I'll meet you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you, guys.